What's going on, guys? Welcome back. For today's episode, we are again going to be continuing with the beginner's phase level workouts. It's going to be episode 6 today. Today we have a leg circuit, all right, guys? So it will be structured and formatted the same exact way we've been doing it. We're going to do 1-minute stations all the way down. Once we finish all 5 of our stations for today, we'll take that 2 to 3 minute break in between, get some water real quick, come back, and then finish up with a second and final round. Due to the being the beginner's phase, all right, guys? So for our first station today, we're gonna start it off with a lunge, and a squat, all right? So what we're gonna be wanting to do, making sure we're keeping up our chest nice and tall, back is gonna be staying straight the entire time. Try not to let it pull you forward. Momentum obviously is gonna wanna pull you forward, but make sure you're staying up nice and straight, putting all that tension onto our legs. So once we hear that clock, 3, 2, and 1, we're gonna take a nice deep lunge, generate all that power from the bottom, and explode back into place. Right leg, left leg, and then obviously open it up, our knees and feet, knock forward, open them up, push our butt up, hips out, sit down at the bottom, back up. Lunge, squat. That is our first station on to number 2. For our second station today, we're gonna be doing some good old-fashioned wall sits, all right, guys? So what we're gonna be needing is a wall to obviously lean back and sit on. So pretty simple. All we're gonna be doing, once we hear that clock, 3, 2, 1, we're gonna drop nice and low into a low chair, okay? 90-degree angle. We wanna make sure we're keeping our hands off our knees the entire time. Right here, sitting down, making sure all that tension is sitting on our legs, and we're just gonna go ahead and hold. All right, rock it all the way until we hit that minute mark. All right, on to number 3. And for our third station today, we're gonna be doing a split set, all right, guys? So what we're gonna be doing, 30 seconds one thing, 30 seconds the other, so check it out. First one we're gonna be doing is some just regular calf raises, and then once we hit that halfway mark, we're gonna go right into some backboard jumps, all right? So this is what it's gonna look like. Obviously, you can keep your feet a little bit close. If you wanna go wider, put a bit more focus on the outer, whatever you wanna do. Any kind of calf raise, don't matter, 30 seconds of it though. So once we get it, 3, 2, and 1, coming up to our tippy toes, back down. Tippy toes, back down. Tippy toes, back down. 3, 2, and 1, into the halfway mark. Hands are going up, and then we're bouncing. Over, and over, and over, until that clock hits the minute. Then we're moving it on to number 4. And for our fourth station for today, we're gonna be doing some Bulgarian split squats. All right, guys, so for this one, all you're gonna need is a platform, obviously, where you can go ahead and throw your leg back on, and that's it. So what we're gonna be doing is 30 seconds one leg, 30 seconds the other. So we're gonna go ahead and put one leg back, and make sure you keep it nice and stabilized too, because this thing is kind of a balance exercise. You gotta make sure you're on point, stable, and not rocking left and forth. So get a good grip, make sure your foot's stuck, come all the way out. Once we hear that clock, chest is staying up, back is staying straight, going all the way down to the bottom. 3, 2, and 1, coming, here we go. Boom, all the way down. We'll go 30 seconds on one leg. Once we hear the clock, 3, 2, 1, same exact thing the other side, foot's coming up, jump out a little bit further, all the way back down, 30 seconds the other way. All right, on to the last station. And for our 5th and final station, we're gonna be doing another split set, all right, guys? So what we're gonna be doing at this time, 30 seconds of jump squats, 30 seconds of high knees, all right? So once we hear that clock, make sure obviously our feet and knees are pointed out, chest is staying up, back is staying straight, 3, 2, and 1, coming down to the bottom, and up. Down the bottom, and up. Over and over until we hit the halfway mark. Once we get to the halfway at 30 seconds, then we're gonna go high knees. So when we do these high knees, really focus on driving those knees all the way up into your chest. So we're gonna look just like this. Boom, 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 boom. Have those arms pumping, and you're gonna stay moving that entire time with that intensity up nice and high. So that's gonna be all 5 of our exercises for today's leg circuit. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you guys give this one a shot. Let me know what you think. Comments, questions, concerns, always appreciated. And I do have a bunch of new stuff coming on the way, guys, so keep tapping in with your boy, hitting that subscribe button. I really appreciate it. Like I said, just trying to get this message out to the right people. All right, guys, so until next video, make sure you guys are staying positive, be successful, keep dreaming big.